In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Outlook view back to normal. If you've ever opened up Outlook and thought, wait a minute, this doesn't look right, you're not alone. Sometimes the view settings may get altered, whether by accident or due to updates, and it's crucial to know how to reset them. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the Outlook application on your computer. This is your basic starting point. Whether you're using Outlook for business or personal purposes, the setup and options remain largely consistent. So this guide applies universally. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on to the next step. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top menu. There, you will find various tabs. But what's important for us today is the View tab. Clicking on this tab will open a variety of options related to how your emails and interface are displayed. The View tab is essentially the control center for customizing your Outlook experience, allowing you to tweak it to your liking, or in this case, set it back to the norm. Next, under the View tab, locate the Layout section. This area allows you to structure the core elements of Outlook's interface. From here, you can modulate what you want to see and how you wish to see it. It's all about fitting the interface to your needs and ensuring that everything is organized and pleasant to navigate. In the Layout section, find the option that says Reading Pane. The reading pane is quite essential as it determines where and how your email content is displayed within the window. Setting it correctly can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce strain while browsing through your messages. Now, after you've selected Reading Pane, you'll notice there are a few choices, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on restoring the typical view. You should select the option that says Show on the right. This configuration places your emails in a vertical list on the left, and when you click one, the contents are displayed to the right. It's the standard layout that most Outlook users are accustomed to and find intuitive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your Outlook view to its default layout. Adjusting your view settings back to normal is straightforward once you know where to look. It not only makes your interface more familiar, but also optimizes how you interact with your emails daily. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.